Hello and welcome back to another in-depth weather video. Today we are moving on from Winter Storm Landon and really kind of moving into a little bit of a stretch here where we could not really have a huge winter storm, but we do have chances for smaller wintry systems. And one of those is a nor'easter, and that is the one that is going to be coming up first. So, starting off with the NAM 12-kilometer model, we do have our recent model run showing not only a clipper system that's going to cut through the very northern tier of the country, but a potential nor'easter here brewing off the coast of Florida, and that could move north, impacting areas of southern New England, maybe. Right now we're seeing this just off the coast, but right now we do have a weaker system. This isn't going to be as strong as Winter Storm Keenan was, but we could see a potentially minor wintry system in parts of southern New England, but maybe even the I-95 corridor. Just a slight shift of this storm makes a huge difference there, especially in areas such as Cape Cod, the Boston area, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Long Island, even into potentially New Hampshire and Maine. So there's a possibility for a nor'easter there. But after that, we aren't going to see much. So the European model here shows that nor'easter with a little bit more impacts on parts of southern New England and Maine, but really no major impacts there, as we said earlier. But we do see another clipper system swing down into the northern tier of the country, potentially impacting areas around the Great Lakes. Now that storm eventually moves into the northeast as well with another wintry mess. Potentially some warm precipitation in the I-95 corridor, maybe some wintry precipitation, but at that point, it's kind of moving too far out where you have to look more at broad picture than finer details. Then we see one more potential winter storm, but really not even a winter storm, just like a wintry system move through. But that is the European model. But with the GFS here, we have that Landon moving off the coast. That nor'easter starts to pop up here. Now, the GFS has been the most bullish on this storm, but it still has it right off the coast of New England here. But as you move into next week, we could see that clipper system in the Great Lakes region as well, and then that moves into the northeast. Now, the GFS also has a potential storm here in the northeast as well. Maybe not major impacts, but some minor impacts. Now, moving on here into late next week, early the following week. So this is Super Bowl. We could see a northern tier Great Lakes snowstorm. Maybe some impacts in areas such as Minneapolis, where we've seen storms get named just by impacting Minneapolis because of that population marker. But that moves through and then into the northeast, where it's mostly a rain event there. That's the GFS, maybe some minor systems after that, but it's so far out that I don't even want to talk about it. But then we take a look at the Canadian model, which is the least accurate of these three. But you could see that nor'easter there, which the Canadian model does have some more wintry impacts there, but really nothing significant yet. You have that clipper system in the Great Lakes region, and then you have that other clipper system moving in as well behind it. But other than that, really not much. So, which one of these systems do you think will have the most impacts? Comment in the comment section down below. But that is all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.